Hello my friends, Juergen here. In this video I want to show you how I installed my YAESU FTM-350 VHF UHF radio in my new used car, Toyota CHR. This video should go online at the beginning of the week, but on Monday morning I had a close encounter with a deer on the way to my office, and the car looks like that now. But anyway, I want to show you how I installed the radio, so without further ado, let's get right to it. I found a place for the display of my FTM-350. I'm going to use this original window mount bracket, and I added some adhesive tape up here, and below here I have this ridiculous small smartphone storage, so my iPhone doesn't fit in there. And there is a gap between those consoles, and if I stick the display, sorry folks, I need the other hand, I need my right hand. If I stick the bracket between those consoles, so into the gap, I have the perfect mount for my display. I guess it's not too shabby, in my opinion. The cable is running down here, then it goes down here under this cover. Let me change the position. I need some more light. The cable is running down here, and then it's running behind this cover here, and then it's running under the front seat. Wi-Fi MXB, Wi-Fi JHW. It seems everything is working. Let's try a repeater on 70 centimeters in Vienna. This is also working. Okay, that's great. Let's check another 70 centimeter repeater. Signal strength is as expected. Let's try a 2 meter repeater west of Vienna. Okay, full scale, this is good. Okay, folks, this is my solution for the moment. Maybe I keep the mag mount antenna, and then I will route the cable beneath here, beneath this seal, and to the radio. I'm not sure if I should drill a hole into the roof or not. It would be easy because there's a light. Well, I can remove the light and then I have access. And I can route the cable here and down here. But to be honest, I'm not really sure if I should do this. Please let me know in the comments. 73s, and see you later.